a deep cleaning and disinfecting floor wash for the area around the toilet. Into the bucket, pour a bowl of baking soda. It's a slightly abrasive substance, which effectively cleans surfaces of dirt. It has an alkaline reaction, neutralizing acids and absorbing unpleasant odors. Next, add a tablespoon of Domestos. It's a substance that eliminates 99% of germs. It eradicates bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Another ingredient is dish soap. Pour a tablespoon into the bucket. It's excellent for removing greasy stains from the floor. Additionally, it has shining properties and leaves no streaks. Add another dish soap. Then, add half a measure of floor cleaner. It has a lovely scent and makes the floor shine like a mirror. The secret ingredient is fabric softener. Add 1/3 of a measure. Just a bit of this substance is enough. It has anti-static properties. Thanks to it, dust doesn't settle as strongly. Pour everything with a glass of vinegar. If you want a floral scent to linger in the bathroom for many days, you can add a few laundry scent boosters. Pour 2 liters of boiling water into the bucket, then add some cold water. Warm water cleans much more effectively. Additionally, it activates the cleaning substances. With this prepared mixture, wash the floor around and under the toilet. It's the dirtiest place in the entire bathroom. I do such thorough tile cleaning once every 3 months. The unpleasant smell of urine and moisture disappears. Mix dish soap with toothpaste and pour it into the toilet. You'll get rid of dirt and unpleasant odor. It's a trick to remove exceptionally unpleasant stains in the bathroom. With this homemade method, you'll eliminate all the mess and odor. Sometimes various food remnants are poured into the toilet, which cannot be thrown into the trash bag. Sometimes the toilet gets dirty when you have food poisoning. It doesn't look good then. The smell can also be unpleasant. That's when homemade liquid comes to the rescue. It will clean the toilet and, above all, leave a pleasant smell immediately. You can also clean the sink or a dirty shower with it. They will be clean, shiny, and will smell nice. Pour a small cup of floor cleaner into the dish. Most of these liquids can also be used for cleaning other surfaces. Add a cup of baking soda to it. Baking soda cleans and absorbs bad odors. Pour a cup of dishwashing liquid. It removes many stains, including greasy ones. It foams perfectly. Also, add a tablespoon of toothpaste. It disinfects and smells intensely and pleasantly. Finally, pour a cup of plain water. Mix everything together. You can clean the bathroom with this liquid. Just pour it into the toilet and clean it as usual. It will remove even greasy dirt. The unpleasant smell will disappear immediately. After flushing with water, it will be like new. You can also use this liquid to clean an exceptionally dirty sink. The stains will disappear, and it will be shiny, white, and fragrant. You can also clean tiles and grout under the shower in the same way. There is always the most dirt in the corner by the drain. You will easily remove it. With this amount of liquid, you can clean the entire bathroom. Just 3 steps are enough, and you'll have shiny and clean floors that you can eat off of like a plate. Your floor will finally shine like a mirror. The floor will be clean, shiny, without streaks and dullness. If you have these products, you'll quickly make the floor surface cleaner than ever. And you won't spend a fortune on it. The products you already have at home are enough. Pour warm water into the bucket. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of dishwashing liquid. A generous portion of vinegar, preferably about 1 cup, and a tablespoon of baking soda. Mix everything with a mop. Now everything is ready to wash the floors. This mixture removes dirt, grease, stains, and unpleasant odors. Additionally, vinegar kills bacteria and germs. Baking soda has disinfecting properties. That's why it's worth using it to clean the floor, especially if you have small children. Owners of dogs and cats should also use such a mixture to clean the floor. Vinegar also ensures there are no streaks or spots on the floor. Therefore, many people use it to clean laminate and tile floors. However, pure vinegar should not be used on wooden surfaces, so it's best to use mixtures where vinegar is one of many ingredients. See for yourself. Floor cleaning has never been so easy. Mix and pour into the bucket. You'll quickly find that your floor has never been so clean. Pour into the bucket and mop the floor. With this solution, you only need to mop the floor once a week. It will be clean, shiny, and streak-free for a long time. Put 1 tablespoon of salt into the bowl. Salt has cleaning properties. It effectively removes stains and discoloration. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This popular product cleans and disinfects all surfaces perfectly. Pour in 2 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. Dishwashing liquid is great for removing any greasy stains. The next ingredient is vinegar. Pour in 2 tablespoons. Vinegar degreases, cleans, and shines surfaces. Pour in 3 tablespoons of alcohol. Alcohol has bactericidal and fungicidal properties. It must not be missing from this mixture. It will ensure that the cleaned surfaces are free from germs and microorganisms. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. The mixture will bubble slightly. Pour 1 liter of warm water into the bowl. Mix everything so that the ingredients combine with the water. Add another liter of water. Warm water makes the solution more effective. Such a solution is perfect for cleaning and disinfecting floors at home. Pour the solution into the bucket. This amount is enough to mop the floor. Add lime juice. It will make the floor smell pleasant. Take a mop, dip it, and wring it out. Now you just need to mop the floors. They will be clean, shiny, and 100% free of bacteria, viruses, and dust mites. When guests are about to arrive, I sprinkle this on the carpet, and it's as good as new. It's a simple and cost-effective way to quickly refresh the carpet. You don't have to send it for professional cleaning, and you don't need to use harmful chemicals. You can bring back its luster and fresh scent using a homemade method. And the best part is, it won't break the bank. Carpets accumulate dust and dirt. Even regular vacuuming doesn't clean them effectively. It becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, germs, dust mites, and mold. That's when it starts to develop an unpleasant odor. And that's when you can quickly freshen it up. This method works for all types of carpets, even the soft, long pile ones by the bed. This homemade and eco-friendly carpet cleaning solution will also get rid of dust mites and eliminate mold spores. It deters ants and even bed bugs. The unpleasant smell of staleness and dirt will vanish. Before you quickly freshen any carpet at home, make sure to vacuum it thoroughly first. Then reach for a household item from your kitchen cabinet that will tackle the bad odor, dust mites, mold, and even bed bugs. You can use it as often as you like. Just sprinkle it over the carpet. It's good to distribute it evenly, so you can use a sieve if you want. Then spread it across the entire carpet with a clean broom or brush. The magic ingredient here is baking soda. It will not only eliminate the bad smell and various organisms that may have settled in, but also refresh the colors and clean away minor stains. How do you clean your carpet?